Would have done. Aha! Now, this is Rein Taaramäe, the Estonian national time trial champion, hence the skin suit. He is lying second on the best young riders classification. He's 1 minute and 33 seconds down on Pierre Rolland in that competition. This is the first really big struggle for a jersey. He's a very fine time trialist. Out on the road with Rein Taaramäe, the Estonian who seems to be forever second in the young riders classification, except for yesterday when he was in the white jersey of leader. It was then taken off his shoulders by the man
as they were coming to Alpe d'Huez, go ahead, ride your own race, and that's what he did. And you know, the winner stage on Alpe d'Huez, a monument stage, it's just unbelievable for the French and for the Team Europcar. What a race they've been having, you know. Yellow jersey with Thomas Voeckler, now winning a stage, the young jersey.
Tour. This is Rein Taaramäe coming up to the second intermediate checkpoint. He was 16 seconds up on Pierre Rolland at the first intermediate checkpoint, and this is a very, very good ride by Rein Taaramäe. Look at this. He's down on Tony Martin, but just look at what company he's in here. Sixth fastest at the moment. 125 down on Tony Martin. The important thing is direction. He's had to try and defend this time around. This is the arrival then for Rein Taaramäe. Taaramäe 8th fastest at the third intermediate checkpoint, and this is a time that will really count. He's fighting for the white jersey of best young rider. He's giving it everything. The Estonian national champion over the line in 57.36.